Well, it's September the 16th, 2024. I'm here to document torture. I was tortured overnight, the entire night. It began at 11 p.m. and just continued all throughout the night. At least 8 hours of non-stop torture to my body. Currently, I cannot walk. If I try, it's excruciating. I feel like I was in a car crash. My whole body is injured. I have internal injuries to my internal organs from directed energy weapons. The criminals attacked my entire back with directed energy weapons. They microwave burned my eyes. They blasted me the entire night with infrasound and with some sort of high-pitched carrier wave. It sounded about like 6,000 kilohertz. It was extremely high-pitched and shrill, and that was blasted in my ears the entire night, beginning at 11 p.m. So when I have to go anywhere, like I have to leave my room, I have to stand and hold on to the dressers when I walk, but I'm still in extreme pain. I've got organ damage. They attacked my internal organs on my entire abdominal area. I mean, my entire torso area. All my organs are like injured. Like I said, I feel like I was in a car crash to where I would most likely have to go to the ER. And the thing is this is done to me so often, I can't go to the ER 6 times a week. So I just basically just have to, stay home and not do anything. But like I can barely stand or walk. So this is what's going on. I'm being human trafficked by a rogue faction of the government. And they're the ones behind my torture. No, I'm not delusional. I was scanned, and I have several implants and a body area network. Probably one of the most heavily tortured targets there are.